In this video, I'll show you how to bet on 1xBet for beginners. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you want to bet on 1xBet for beginners, here's exactly what you should do. The first thing is to come over to 1xBet, log into your account, and there are many things you can bet on 1xBet. There is football, tennis, basketball, there are a lot. So what you have to do is first of all choose the event you want to bet on. So if it is football, just click on football, and there are two types. There is live match. Live match means football games are currently going on right now, and there is pre-match, which are upcoming football games. So if I go to pre-match, for example, and I go to UEFA Champions League, and I want to bet on the match between Milan and Feyenoord, I just click on it, and here is the match. So here this W1 means I am betting for Milan to win, and W2 means I'm betting for Feyenoord to win. So if I click on W2 and I put in the amount I want to bet, for instance, if I put on 500 here, means I'm betting 500 for Feyenoord to win, and my potential returns is 3,500. Once that's done, all I have to do is to click on bet, and my bet is going to be placed. And that's how to bet on 1xBet for beginners.